Most people think making $1 million in e-commerce is about luck, viral products, or secret hacks. But the truth is, it's a step-by-step process anyone can follow. From choosing the right product and building a high-converting store to mastering ads, branding, and scaling systems, every successful e-commerce brand follows a clear path. In this video, I'll break down exactly how ordinary entrepreneurs turn simple online stores into seven-figure businesses, and how you can start building your own road to $1 million in e-commerce, one smart move at a time. Today, we'll talk about this step-by-step path to $1 million in e-commerce. Step 1. Understanding what $1 million really means in e-commerce. Before choosing products or launching a store, it is critical to understand what $1 million actually represents. In e-commerce, $1 million usually refers to annual revenue, not profit. Depending on margins, profit could range anywhere from $150,000 to $400,000 per year. This distinction matters because your decisions around pricing, ads, suppliers, and logistics will all affect your margin. Reaching $1 million does not require selling expensive products. Selling a $50 product at 20,000 units per year already hits the target. Once you see the math clearly, the goal stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling measurable. Step 2. Choosing the right e-commerce business model. Not all e-commerce models scale to $1 million with the same ease. Dropshipping allows fast entry and testing, but often struggles with long-term margins and branding. Wholesale and retail arbitrage rely heavily on supplier relationships and inventory management. Private labeling, where you create your own branded product sourced from manufacturers, offers the best balance of control, scalability, and defensibility. Subscription models, digital physical hybrids, and DTC, direct-to-consumer brands tend to dominate seven-figure outcomes because they focus on repeat customers rather than one-time sales. Step 3. Market research that prevents expensive mistakes. Most e-commerce failures happen before a store even launches, due to poor market research. Proper research starts by identifying markets with ongoing demand, not trends that spike and disappear. This involves analyzing search volume, social media engagement, marketplace bestsellers, and customer reviews. Reviews are especially powerful because they reveal what customers love, hate, and wish existed. A product with clear complaints is often a better opportunity than one with perfect ratings because it gives you a roadmap for improvement. Step 4. Selecting a product with $1 million potential. A $1 million product does not need to be revolutionary. It needs to solve a specific problem better than alternatives. Ideal products are priced between $30 and $150, are lightweight, non-fragile, and not easily found in local stores. Products that enhance daily life, improve health, save time, or reduce frustration tend to convert best. The key is differentiation, better design, better packaging, better messaging, or better customer experience. Small improvements compound massively at scale. Step 5. Building a brand, not just a store. Brands create trust, and trust drives conversion. A $1 million e-commerce business rarely looks cheap or generic. Branding starts with a clear identity: who the product is for, what problem it solves, and why it exists. This translates into a memorable name, clean logo, consistent colors, and a tone of voice that resonates with the target audience. Customers do not just buy products, they buy stories and emotions. Strong branding increases perceived value and allows higher pricing without resistance. Step 6. Setting up a high-converting storefront. Your website is your digital salesperson working. Platforms like Shopify dominate seven-figure stores because of their scalability and ecosystem. High-converting stores follow a simple structure: a clear headline, compelling product imagery, benefit-driven descriptions, social proof, and a frictionless checkout. Every unnecessary click reduces conversions. Speed, mobile optimization, and trust badges are non-negotiable at this level. A beautiful store that does not convert is worse than a simple store that does. Step 7. Pricing for profit and scale. Pricing is not about being the cheapest, it is about being the most justified. Your price must cover product costs, shipping, payment processing, ad spend, and still leave room for profit. Many beginners underprice their products, which kills scalability. Million-dollar stores price confidently and use bundles, upsells, and value framing to increase average order value. When revenue grows, small increases in AOV can add hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Step 8. Traffic acquisition. Getting the right people to your store. Traffic is the fuel of e-commerce growth. Organic traffic through SEO and content marketing builds long-term stability but takes time. Paid traffic through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and YouTube provides speed and scalability. Successful brands test multiple channels and double down on what works. The goal is not cheap traffic, it is profitable traffic. Data matters more than opinions. Every ad is a test, and every test provides information. Step 9. Mastering paid advertising without burning cash. Paid ads are where most people fail, not because ads do not work, but because they lack structure. Winning ad strategies focus on strong creatives, clear messaging, and emotional hooks. Ads that show the problem, demonstrate the solution, and highlight benefits outperform generic product shots. Retargeting plays a huge role, as most buyers do not purchase on their first visit. A well-structured ad funnel turns curiosity into trust and trust into sales. Step 10. Conversion rate optimization for revenue growth. Increasing traffic alone will not get you to $1 million. Conversion optimization is what unlocks scale. SEO involves improving headlines, images, copy, offers, and checkout flow. Even a 1% increase in conversion rate can double profit at scale. Million-dollar brands constantly test and refine. They do not rely on assumptions, they rely on data. And this is the step-by-step path to a possible $1 million in e-commerce. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.